Very good evening, everyone. So let us start with the lecture number 2. So yesterday I have given you the questions and most of you have sent me the answers also. And some students have not sent me the answers. So I believe that the question number 1, you must have got the answer like 1,89,790. Is that it? And for the second one, the answer is 5,03,250. Everybody got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got it.
sir.
Okay. Any doubt, anything? Someone has not got this answer. Mushtaq, you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So yesterday I was telling you that income tax is a direct tax. So income tax is a direct tax. It's not indirect. It means that the person who is earning income, that person is supposed to pay their taxes, their income tax. And if this person is not paying, then the government will levy some penalties. They will actually recover from that person. So we will understand that how they will recover. But yes, if I am earning income, I have to pay the taxes. If you are earning income, you have to pay the taxes. So it's a direct tax. Tell me, it's a state government tax or a central government tax? It's a central government tax. It means that it is uniformly applied in entire India. So whether you are living in Jammu and Kashmir, or you are living in Tamil Nadu or Kerala, doesn't matter. You have to pay uniform amount of tax. So it's a central law. Although it is not very important, but you should know that there is a list one, which is known as union list. And in union list, there are certain activities where central government has power. Only central government has power. So income tax is one of the activity of union list. And the entry number is, do you remember the entry number? 82. So union list, correct. Entry number 82 tells us that income tax will be levied, and it will be levied by central government, and central government will collect this money. So every year, central government gets this money. Okay. Then we have also understood the concept of assessee. So who is an assessee? Assessee is a person. Assessee is a person. When I say person, this person can be a natural person like individual. This person can be an artificial person like HUF, company, partnership firm, etc. So assessee means a person who is having an income and who is liable to pay taxes to the government. So that person is called assessee. So there are various types of assessee. So assessee can be an individual. Assessee can also be an HUF. Assessee can be a company. It can be a partnership firm and so on. So there are various types of assessee. And they have to pay taxes if they are earning income. So before, how much tax we have to pay? Before that, we need to compute our income, that how much income we are generating. So first of all, because we are doing income tax. See, what is income tax? It is a taxes on income. So first we need to, step number 1 will be to determine your income first. So first we have to calculate. So let's say any client comes to us. We are sitting in our office, any client comes to us. And he will not tell you that how much is his income. So you have to calculate his income. You will get some information from him. Let's say, for example, he's having a business. So you can ask from his profit and loss account. You can ask for other documents also. Then you have to calculate the tax. We as a chartered accountant, we have to compute his income first. So let's say, for example, he's having a salary income. So he will not able to tell you that how much is the taxable salary. But what you need to do is you will ask him that whether you are working in this organization for the entire year, or you are working for this organization for last 4, 5, 6 months. So you have to get the information from that person. And you should also get that what type of salary you are getting, what are the components of the salary is. So generally we ask for the salary slip. So what I am telling you, that before computing the taxes, we have to compute the income first. So in this entire syllabus, 90%, more than 90%, our focus would be to calculate the income of the assessee. So first we'll be calculating the income because tax calculation is very easy. I have told you yesterday that how you compute your taxes. So generally for company SSE or for partnership firm, do we follow a slab rate system or we follow a flat rate system, guys? A, slab rate, B, flat rate. Which?
Flat rate.
Flat rate, B. So we don't follow a slab rate. But for other SSE like individual and mostly for our intermediate level, we are mainly concerned with individual. So for individual, we follow slab rate system. So for individual, we first calculate that how much income you have earned in this year. So our year is 2025 and 26. This is our year. And we will actually, first of all, calculate his income. So before calculating his income is categorized into 5 heads. So we have 5 heads of income. We call it, yesterday we have written that also. We have 5 heads of income. One is called salary. Then how much is the salary income? Then second is called house property. House property is when you sell the property or it's a rental income. It's a rental income, right? So mainly it's a rental income, house property income. Then we have PGBP. What is the full form of PGBP, guys?
Profit or gain from business and profession.
Profits and gains from business or profession. So business or profession, we understand there is a little difference between business and profession, but income tax says that they both are almost similar. So we have just made only one category of business and profession. So business and profession, how much is your income? Then your capital gain. What is capital gain? Actually, whenever we sell our assets. So whenever we sell our assets, so there might be a gain also. Is it always mandatory that there will be a positive gain or there could be a negative, that is loss also? Is it possible that there could be a loss also? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. We can have a loss also. Even in business, do you think that always there would be a gain or there could be a losses also? There could be losses also, right? So generally in business, there could be both profits as well as losses. In capital gain also, there could be profits or losses. Now, you might having a question that, sir, in case if there is a client who comes to us and he has a business, let's say he has a PGBP income, but when we calculated his income for this year, it turns out to be a loss. Let's say he has a loss of 10 lakh. So whether he has to pay tax in this year, let's say he has no other income other than this business. He has no other heads of income. He has only one category of income, PGBP, and that too is a loss. So whether he has to pay taxes, obviously no. Why? Because he is not earning anything. In fact, there is a loss. Now the main question is, sir, do we need to calculate his loss also? The answer is yes. We need to calculate his losses also. Why? Why it is important that we should calculate his losses also? Because these losses will help him to save the taxes. What will happen is, let's say for example, I'm just giving you a brief background of it. Let's say in this first year, let's say this is the year 2025 and 26. And he has a business income, PGBP, and he has a loss of 10 lakh. So my question was whether we need to calculate this. I would say yes, you have to calculate this. Why? Because it will help him. Why? Let's say because in next year, in 27, 28, let's say he has a positive, 26, 27. Let's say he has a positive income, 10 lakh positive, let's say. So in this year, he has to pay taxes because it is 10 lakh positive income. But what income tax will do is, tax will give them a benefit. Income tax will say that since you have incurred a loss in last year, what you can do, you can adjust your losses with this income. So what will happen is, in this second year, we are having a 10 lakh profit. What we will do, we will adjust this losses from here, 10 lakh, and my income will be 0. So in this case also, we can save our taxes. We don't have to pay any taxes. Guys, are you understanding what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir.
So I am actually saying that in case if there is a loss, then also we have to calculate because we will be using that loss probably in next year, subsequent years, we'll be using that loss. How we'll be using that loss? That is one of the chapter we have. It's a very small chapter, set off of losses. We will do in that chapter also, right? But right now, I'm just giving you an idea that whenever we are talking about income, so it's not only the positive income. In some of the heads, we can have a negative income also. So we have to calculate both. If it is positive income, we have to calculate that also. In case it is a negative income, we have to calculate that income also, because that is also important for us. Okay. So I was telling you yesterday. So first of all, let's say there is a person who comes to us and we will calculate, let's say for example, he is having a salary income. So we will calculate his salary. We'll calculate his house property. We will calculate his PGBP. Let's say he has capital gain. We will calculate. He has IFOS. We will calculate this also. Let's say he has income from 5 heads. And for example, if his total income comes to rupees 16 lakh. Let's say his total income comes to 16 lakh. If I tell you that, can you calculate the tax for him? This is Mr. A. So who is he? He's an individual. Please tell me, flat rate or slab rate? Slab, level wise, right? So if I tell you that his total income is 16 lakh, guys, will you be able to compute his taxes? Don't compute right
Yes,
now, but
sir.
will you be able to compute his taxes? What you will do?
Yes, sir.
You will say,
Yes.
okay, sir. What we will do? First 4 lakh, nil. Next 4 lakh, 5%. Next 4 lakh, 10%. And next remaining 4 lakh is 15%. And you will
15.
compute his taxes. So what you have done, you have applied slab rates on entire 16 lakh. You have applied the slab rates on entire 16 lakh. This is what you have done. But actually, this is not the case, guys. We have certain incomes. We have certain incomes out of these 5 heads. We have certain special income. Why I'm calling them as with this name special income? We have certain special income which is not taxable at slab rates. No, we have some special rate for them. We have some special rate for them. Again, I'm repeating. So let's say, for example, this person has salary income, this person has house property, PGBP, cap gains, IFOS, and total comes to 16 lakh. So you know how to calculate the taxes as per slab rates. But what if I will tell you that out of the 16 lakh, he has rupees 3 lakh special income. And the remaining income is how much? 13 lakh. So 3 lakh out of 16. What is the special income? This is the topic for the day, guys. I will be telling you that what are the incomes which are of special category. But I'm just giving you an overview right now. Let's say out of the 16, 3 lakh is special income. And the remaining income is 13. So you have to apply slab rates on 13 lakh. And on 3 lakh, you have to apply special rates, not that slab rates. What I will be discussing today, you have to apply those rates. Are you able to understand what we are going to discuss today?
Sir.
Yes.
So I am telling you that
Yes, sir.
out of the total income, we have certain specials income also, which is not taxable at normal rates. It is not taxable at normal rates. No, slab rates are normal, but they have their own special rates. So what are those types of income? Let us identify that what are those types of income. Okay. Don't write it, guys. Just listen to this. For example, there is a person. Let's say Lakshay is there. Lakshay, yes. For example, Lakshay is an assessee. What type of assessee? Individual assessee, right? He is an assessee. And he has, let's say for example, he has a business. He has a business of selling computers. Right? He has a big business of selling computers. So which income he is generating, guys? Which head? Out of which head? Tell me, out of 5 heads, which head it is? PGBP.
PGB.
Correct. So he has PGBP income. Generally he has, and he is doing this business for last couple of years and it's an established business now, doing good. Since he is quite running well this business, so he's doing good in this business, he has some money also, which he has invested in various assets. So what he has done is, during these years, he has purchased some gold. He has purchased some shares also. See, he is into the business of computers. But what he did is, he has invested some money in gold. He has invested some money in shares. He has invested some money in debentures. He has invested some money in land. And he has also invested some money in house. He has purchased a house also. And let's say in this year, 25, 26, he sold these gold also, shares also, debentures also, land also, house also. Let's say he sold them and he has earned some profit out of it. On gold, he has earned something. Let's say on gold, he has earned 3 lakh rupees. On shares, he has earned 2 lakh rupees. On debentures, he has earned 1 lakh rupees. On land, he has earned 10 lakh. On house, he has earned 20 lakh. First of all, tell me what type of income it is. There is only one head and you know what is that head. Tell me what is the head. Everyone, is this
Income from other sources.
okay? So
Capital
it is
gain.
income from other sources. Okay, let's see one by one. Obviously, the first one head is salary. So obviously, it is not salary income. Everybody is okay with this? This is not salary.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second head is house property. Is it house property? The answer is no. Why, sir? There is a house. Some students can ask me, sir, there is a house. I say rental income. But what he did is he sold the house. So it's not house property also. Everybody is agree with me? No confusion over here. It's not house property. Third, is it PGBP? Everybody tell me, is it PGBP? These income. I'm not talking about the computer business. I'm talking about these red ones. Is it PGBP? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, because he is not into the business of it, right? So it's not PGBP. Guys, next head, fourth head is capital gain. What is capital gain? Whenever we sell the assets, although it is more than that, but as of now, because we have just started income tax, so as of now, I'm just telling you that whenever we have assets, tell me, gold is an asset? Yes or no? For Lakshay, from the point of view of Lakshay, please tell me, he has invested in gold. Lakshay, please tell me, gold is an asset for you?
I think yes, sir.
Everyone, no doubt? Wherever we invest, it's an asset. What is an asset? Asset is something where we have a right. We have a right over it. I can say, yeah, this is my thing. This is my thing. Let's say, for example, this calculator, which I'm using, is my asset. I have a right. If somebody will come that Rajat, give this calculator to me, it is my calculator. If he will say, I will say, no, I have a right on it. What is asset? Where, because I have spent money on it, this is my property. That is called asset. So please tell me whether gold is an asset for Lakshay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's an asset. Shares is an asset for Lakshay. Yes. Any doubt? Please stop me. Then and there, stop me. Debentures is an asset for Lakshay. Yes or no? Everybody, unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need response from everybody. Land is an asset for Lakshay. Yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
House is an asset for Lakshay. Yes. They all are
Yes, sir.
assets. So what he did is, capital gain says that whenever you sell your assets, it is capital gain. So guys, all these things are, some of you are telling me, correct? These are all capital gains. Everybody okay? What is IFOS? It would have been, let's say if I'm not selling the assets, but still I'm having my income. Let's say for example, on shares, I have dividend income. If I would say that Lakshay is earning dividend income on shares, whether he sold the shares or he's having the shares, he's having the shares, he's holding the shares, but he's earning dividend. That dividend will be IFOS. But if he sell the shares, that is capital gain. No doubt over it?
No, sir.
Okay, what is debentures? See, whenever he sell the debentures, that is capital gain. But if you don't sell your debentures, what you will receive? Please tell me, let's say, for example, if he don't sell the debentures, Lakshay will receive what? Debenture interest. Everybody's okay with me? Debenture interest. Guys, if he is earning debenture interest every year, let's say, he's not selling it, but let's say he's earning debenture interest, then what type of income it is?
Income from other sources.
Income from other sources. Everybody's okay with this? When you sell your debentures, when you sell your assets, capital gain. But if you don't sell it, but just you are earning income, that is income from other sources. Okay. Okay. Let's say, for example, land. If you sell your land, then it is capital gain. But let's say if you don't sell your land, but you give your land on rent, is it possible that Lakshay can give his land on rent also? Are yes or no?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yes, na? What type of
Yes,
income it
sir.
is? What type of income it is?
Income from house property.
House property.
Okay, good. Although we have not done the head, but still good. Income from house property. Okay. Guys, house property. When we will see house property,
House property.
we have not done the head, but still I'm just telling you. Whenever, what is house property income? House property is rental income, rent from building. If we have a building, what is a building? Building is a built up structure. See, whenever I say building, so generally in our mind, we have a skyscraper, a multi-story building. No. In income tax, even one room is building, even a built up structure. Any built up structure is a building. Even one room, two room is a building. So house property says, I will tell you in the house property chapter, that if you let out your building, then it is house property. But if there is no building, it is just a vacant land, it can't be house property. Okay. Now, if I say, now please understand the difference. If we give land on rent versus we give house on rent, First of all, tell me, we are giving house on rent. Is this house property, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good, because house is, what is house? Do you live in a flat piece of land or there are some built up structure? There's a built up structure. There are walls, there is roof, there are rooms, right? That is a building. Guys, whenever you give your house on rent or even a shop on rent, this building can be residential building, this building can be commercial building. It is all house property income. Yesterday also I was telling you. However, please tell me, if you give land on rent, is it a building or not a building?
Not a building.
Everyone, Srinidhi, is it a building, not a building? No, land is a vacant piece of land. It is not a building. So if it is not a building, then in that case, is it a house property income? No. Please tell me then what kind of income it is.
Other income.
If he gives land on rent, income from other sources, IFOS. So don't worry, I'll be explaining them in detail, but just I'm giving you an overview right now. But if he sell the land, he is not giving it on rent, but if he sell the land, what type of income it is? Capital gain.
Capital gain.
So guys, right now I am more interested in capital gain hit. Okay. So again, coming back, whenever we sell our assets, the assets can be gold, it could be shares, debentures, land, house. There could be various other types of assets also, but as of now, I've just taken these into account for this example. Guys, there are two types of capital gain. One is called a long-term capital gain, and second is called a short-term capital gain. Long-term, short-term. Short-term capital gain. We call them, in short form, we call them LTCG. Tell me, what is the full form of LTCG? Long-term capital gain.
Capital gain.
And what do we call with short-term? STCG. Short-term capital gain. So actually capital gains are of two types. One is long term, second is short term. I will be telling you in detail in the capital gain chapter. But today I'm again giving you a little hint of capital gain. That capital gain is of two types, long term and short term. Now, how we will decide that whenever we have sold an asset, is it a long term or short term? It depends upon the holding period. Holding period means that for how long you are holding this asset. If you are holding this asset for more than 2 years, it becomes long term. But if it is 2 years or less, it becomes short term. As of now, I'm giving you this criteria, right? So if any asset you are holding, you have purchased this asset, you have acquired this asset. I'm using the different words. You have purchased the assets, you have acquired the asset, and it's been more than 2 years, and now you are selling it, it will become long term. But if it is not more than 2 years, exactly 2 years or less than 2 years, let's say we are selling it after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 10 months, or 1 year, 6 months, it will become short term. Are you okay with this long term, short term? So what is the parameter right now? 2 years is the parameter. Okay. Now, if I tell you that gold, you have sold it after 1.5 years, shares you have sold it after, let's say, 3 years, debentures you have sold it after 4 months, land you have sold it after 2.5 years, and house you have sold it after 10 months. Okay, now guys, your activity for you. Don't write anything. Tell me gold. There is a gain of 3 lakh. Let's say randomly I have taken this figure 3 lakh. We have sold it after 1.5 years. Short term, long term.
Short term.
Very good. This is called short term. Okay. Shares. You have sold after 3 years.
Long term.
Long term. Debentures, 4 months.
Short
Short
term.
term.
Short term.
Land, 2.5 years. Long
Long
term.
Long term.
House, 10 months.
Short
Short
term.
term. I believe that you are pretty clear with short term, long term. So generally the criteria is 2 years. If I am selling it after 2 years, more than 2 years, long term. Exactly 2 years or less than 2 years, it would be short term. Okay, good enough. Let's say you have purchased, don't write anything. If you have to write, I'll tell you before that. Let's say Lakshay, I'm taking the example of Lakshay again. Lakshay is having a business of computers, but he has so much of money, so he keep on investing in different assets. So what he has purchased he has purchased equity shares, which is equity shares he has purchased equity shares of Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. You have heard this name, TCS? So it's
Yes,
one of
sir.
the IT
Yes, sir.
company of Tata Group. So TCS. So he has purchased equity shares of TCS, and it's been 3 years. He has also purchased equity shares of, well, let's say, Reliance. It's been, let's say, 10 months. He has purchased debentures of any company, let's say Wipro. Don't write anything, guys. It is of 2.5 years. He has purchased land. It's been 3 years. He has purchased gold, which is 1.2 years. Again, the same thing. Guys, TCS equity shares, 3 years. Long term, short term?
Long term.
Long term.
Long
Long
term.
term. Reliance,
Short term.
short term.
Short term.
Wipro debentures,
Long term.
long term. Land,
Long term.
Long term.
long term. Gold,
Short
Short
term.
term.
short term. Let's say he has purchased diamond also, or now he's selling it, diamond, and it's been 1 year.
Short term.
Short term. Very good. Guys, don't write anything. Don't write anything. No, not required right now. Now I'm just bifurcating between long term and short term. So what I'll do, I will bring these long terms at one side and all short term on other side, right? So what I'll do, I'll just bringing these equity shares, long term here, and these two over here. Okay. So what I have done is I have made these long term at one in one side and short term in other side. Everybody's okay with this? Now, guys, long term is always special income. Long term is always special income. There are two sections in long term. Section number 112 and 112A. Don't remember this section. Don't try to remember this section. I will be using these sections more than 1,000 times during the lectures, and unintentionally also it will actually, you will be able to retain this section anytime. You will be able to retain this section. In fact, whenever you are sleeping, if somebody will ask you, now what is 112, what is 112A, you will be able to tell. So don't worry about the sections number. But actually long terms is two sections, 112 and 112A. First, what is 112? Or in fact, what is 112A? What is 112A actually? 112A is if you sell long-term equity shares. 112A is when you sell long-term equity shares. Please tell me, out of these three, where are the equity shares? TCS. So this is 112A, and all other long term is 112. All other long term is 112. Right? Section 112. Guys, section of which act? Which act it is? Income Tax Act 1961. No need to write anything. I'm telling you that capital gains are of two types: long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain. How to identify between long-term, short-term? It depends on the holding period of 2 years. If it is more than 2 years, long-term; less than 2 years or exactly 2 years, short-term. Now, long-term is divided into two parts. One is long-term equity shares. We have section 112A. What is 112A? Today I'm not discussing about 112A. It will take approximately 1 hour to discuss 112A. I will be discussing in the chapter of capital gain. Guys, today I am just making you understand that how you calculate taxes. Yesterday also we have learned how to calculate taxes, but today I am inserting special income there. So these are some special income which are taxable at special rates. So now you can make it. Please make it. Right. The heading special income. Write the heading special income. And first write capital gains. Capital gain is divided into two parts. One is long term. Second is short term. You can write now. Capital gain is one of the special income, but not the entire capital gain. I'll tell you which one is special. So whenever the assessee is having a capital gain income, especially long term, let's say for example, now understand it practically. Lakshay comes to us. Lakshay is having a business of computers. However, he has capital gain income also. Let's say he has PGBP income of 20 lakh. He has capital gain income of 10 lakh. How much is his total income? 30 lakh. Should I apply straight away? Should I close my eyes and I will apply straight away slab rates? No. because it has some special income also. Are you all understanding what I'm telling you? Because it has some special income also. So we can't apply special rates on entire 30 lakh. How we will do? First of all, capital gains are divided into two parts, long term and short term. And again, it is divided into two parts. Long term is again divided into two parts. One is, right, section 112A and section 112. What is 112A? It is long term equity share. It is long term equity shares. So whenever you sell your long term equity shares, it becomes 112A. And what is 112? It is all other long term. All other long term. Other long term. Now again I am asking you, guys, please look at the screen and tell me the section. You have sold land. Is it long term? Yes. Tell me the section. 112 or 112A?
112.
This is very good. This is 112. Okay. Debentures. Long term. 112. Equity shares. Long term. 112A. Only what you need to do is just long term put over here, and whatever is equity shares, make it 112A. It is 112A, and this all other long term is 112. They are taxable at a rate of 12.5%. All your long term is taxable at a rate of 12.5%. It is a special rate under section 112. It says your long term capital gain is taxable at 12.5%. And if it is your 112A, it is also taxable at 12.5%. They both are taxable at 12.5%. And now you might be having a question, sir, if they both are taxable at 12.5%, then why we are actually dividing them? Why are we differentiating between them? So actually 112A has a one advantage. It is taxable at 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. In excess of 1,25,000. Guys, just please write it and I'll make you understand. Write this full. 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. But if you have other long term, it is straight away taxable at 12.5%. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
Now what does it mean? What does it mean? Don't write it, just understand this. Let's say our assessee is Lakshay, right? Today assessee is Lakshay. Tomorrow we'll change the assessee. So assessee is Lakshay. Lakshay came to us, and during the previous year, during the year 25-26, we calculated that he has PGBP income of 20 lakh and he has long-term capital gain of 15 lakh. How much is his total income? 35 lakh. Let's say he has no other income. He has only two income. One is PGBP and second is capital gain, that too long term. He does not have any short-term capital gain. Is it mandatory that he should have short-term capital gain also? No. Whatever the asset he has sold during the year, let's say he has sold gold, he has sold equity shares, he has sold land, it was all long-term. He has purchased some years back, and now he's selling it. So he has earned 15 lakh over there total. 35 lakh is his total income. My first question to you is, should you apply slab rates on entire 35 lakh or no? Should I apply slab rates on entire 35 lakh, or it has some special income also?
Special income.
It has some special income also. What I will do, I will actually bifurcate this. That please tell me that out of 35 lakh, how much is my special income and how much is my remaining normal income? So I will say that out of this 35 lakh, 15 lakh is long term. And the entire long term is taxable at, long term is a special income. Whether it is 112A, whether it is 112, they both are special income. Why? Because on long term, we have 12.5% rate. Here there is a little difference, but still we have 12.5% rate. Can I say my entire long term is special? Yes, my entire long term is special. So you will say that, sir, out of 35 lakh, 15 lakh is special income and 20 lakh is normal income. On 20 lakh, we can apply slab rates, but on 15 lakh, we will not apply slab rates. Rather, we will apply some special rates, and we have special rate of 12.5%. Now, let's say, for example, don't write this. Let's say he has long-term capital gain of 15 lakh total. Now, what I will ask Lakshay, or what I will do, I will actually bifurcate this into, I will ask Lakshay whether you have sold equity shares also long term. He said yes. How much he has made the profit of on long term equity shares? He has made the profit on long term equity shares, which is section number 112A, 5 lakh. And let's say other long term is 10 lakh. What I have done? 15 lakh. Randomly I have taken the figures that out of this 15 lakh, he has sold gold also, he has sold land also, he has sold equity shares also. I asked him that how much gain you have made on equity shares. I came to know 5 lakh on equity shares and 10 lakh is remaining long term. Guys, how much is the tax? At a rate of 12.5%. Here also at a rate of 12.5%. But how I will calculate this on this 5 lakh and how I will calculate it on 10 lakh? Guys, on 10 lakh, I will straight away calculate 12.5%. This is section 112. It will become 1 lakh, how much? 25,000. And this will become 5 lakh into 12.5% in excess of 12.5%. But the first I will write in excess of 125,000. Guys, this 125, 125 is altogether different. Coincidentally, this also came as 125, but actually that was not my intention. But here the rate is 12.5% in excess of 125. What does it mean? That initial 1,25,000, there is no tax. Whenever you earn income of 112A, whenever you actually earn income on long-term equity shares, government will say we will not tax initial 125. Over and above 125 we will tax. It means that out of 5 lakh we will subtract 125. On 125 he is not supposed to pay any tax. What is the tax rate on 125? First 125, 0. We are not charging any tax. And only on 3,75,000 we will charge 12.5%. So this means in excess of 125. So actually there is a difference between 112 and 112A. There's a difference between 112 and 112A. In 112A, we give you a special benefit. What is the benefit? Your initial 1,25,000 is exempted. We don't have to pay taxes over there. So let's say Lakshay has earned 5 lakh rupees by selling long-term equity shares. So he will pay tax on only 3,75,000, not on entire 5 lakh. Have you understood a little bit of it or not?
Understood.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't worry. I'll give you the examples also. Don't worry about it. Okay. Short term is again divided into two parts. Please write it over there. Section 1111A. Section 1111A. What it is? It is short-term equity shares. If the equity shares are long-term, then it will become 112A. If the equity shares are short-term, it will become 1111A. And 1111A is chargeable just right at a rate of 20%. They are chargeable at a rate of 20%. And other short-term is not special. Not special. So what does it mean? Normal rates. First of all, write this. Special income number 1. Let me know if you have written this. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the second one. Casual income is also special. Casual income. Guys, what is casual income? Guys, you must have heard that if you win a lottery, or you go to a game show, let's say you go to KBC, Kaun Banega Crorepati, you went to the game show, or you win a lottery, you win a quiz, etc. Guys, have you heard that you have to pay tax at rate of 30%? Have you heard it? Have you heard it?
Yes,
That you
sir.
have to
Yes,
pay
sir.
a tax of 30%. This is called casual income. What is casual income? Casual income is lottery income, game show income, game show, etc. These are called casual income. Some people call them, you must have heard this word, windfall gains. Have you heard this word? Windfall gains.
Yes, sir.
Windfall gains. The tax rate is 30% over there. You have to pay 30% taxes. You don't have to pay as per the special rate. You have to pay taxes at a rate of 30%. Okay. Guys, have you written this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us go more into this again, capital gain, because casual income is something very easy, 30%. Long term, this is 112A. This is 112. This is section 1111A, which is short-term equity shares, which is taxable at 20%. And all other short-term, guys, there is no section for this. There is no section for this. Should I write 111? No, there is no such section like 111. No. So there is no section to it. And other short-term is not special. It is normal rates are applicable. So if somebody will tell you that whether capital gain is special income, whether a special rate would be applicable, whether the all capital gains are special, you will say no. This one is not special. This one is not special. If I ask you whether all long terms are special, whenever I say special, it means special tax rate. Please tell me yes or no, true or false, whether all long terms are special. Yes. Why? Because long term can be divided into, long term has only two segments, either 112A or 112, and they both are taxable at very special rate 12.5%. However, short term, whether all short term are special, no. Only 1111A is special. What is 1111A? Short term equity shares. Now, let us go more into it. Please write an example. Please write an example. Asset. Holding period. asset holding period, short term, long term. Sorry, so
The
sorry.
camera is off.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. Sorry, I got it. Okay, write this example: asset holding period, short term, long term, and section. First, gold. Second, equity shares. Let's say Infosys. Third, debentures. Let's say of Wipro. Fourth, land. Fifth, house. Sixth, equity share. Let's say TCS. Seventh, preference shares. Any company. Preference shares, any company. Let's say Lakshay has these assets. He has gold also, he has equity shares also, debentures also, land also, house also, equity shares also, and preference shares also. Why 2 equity shares? He has some shares of Infosys, he has some shares of TCS. Let's say he sold gold this year and the holding period was 4 years. The holding period was 4 years. Equity shares, Infosys. Okay, first of all, tell me long term or short term?
Long term.
Long term.
Long term. Very good. Long term. We will write the section later, right? We will write the section later. Long term. Okay. Equity shares, Infosys. This is, let's say, 5 years. Tell me what it is. Short term, long term?
Long term.
Long term. Very good. Debentures of Wipro, it is for 4 months.
Short term.
Short term. So what he is actually, this is one of the assessee, let's say Lakshay. Lakshay has sold these assets. So what are we doing is we are actually bifurcating that what type of long term it is, long term or short term. And then again, we will be bifurcating whether it is 112, 112A or 111A. Land, he has sold after, let's say, 1.5 years. What it is?
Short term.
Short term.
Short term.
House he has sold after, let's say, 6 months. Short term. Equity shares he has sold after 8 months.
Short term.
Short term. Preference shares he has sold after, let's say, 3 years. Long term.
Long term.
Guys, do you have any confusion in determining long term or short term?
No, sir. No, sir.
Good. Now, everybody is okay with this long term, short term? Now, please tell me, just pick up long term. We have 3 long term over here. One, this one, second, this one, and third over here. We have 3 long term. Everybody is okay with this? We have 3 long terms. Just tell me, out of these 3, where is equity shares? Where is equity shares? Second, Infosys. Everybody okay with this? Guys, this is section number 112A. This is section number 112A. And all other long term is 112. Are you okay with this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Guys, tell me, this is long term, this is long term, this is long term. Normal rate is applicable or special rate is applicable? Special rate.
Special rate.
What is the tax rate on 112 at rate of 12.5%? What is the tax rate on 112 here, last one, at rate of 12.5%? Write it over here. What is the tax rate on 112A? It is also 12.5%, but in excess of 1,25,000. Please write at rate of 12.5%, but in excess of 1,25,000. Initial 1,25,000 we don't tax it. Everybody understood it. It is 112A and they both are 112. Okay. It's 12.5%. It's a normal rate or a special rate? Special rate. This is also special. This is also special. This is also special. Now again tell me, I'm asking you true or false. Whether all long term are special.
True, sir.
Yes.
Very good. All long terms are special. Now just go and look at this also, which we have made again. Long term. There's long term. All long terms are special. If they are either 112A or 112. We have only two sections for long term. There could not be any third category of long term. We have only two categories of long term. Either they can be 112A or they can be 112. That's it, full stop. And they both are special. They are taxable at 12.5%, 12.5%. But here they have one more advantage, in excess of 1,25,000. Okay. Now remaining third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, they all are short term. Now
Yes, sir.
tell me which one out of these four, they all are short term. Which one is equity share? Where is equity shares?
Number 6.
Number 6. This is called 111A. This is called 111A, which is taxable at a rate of 20%. This is called 111A, which is taxable at a rate of 20%. And all other short term, there is no section. There is no section. These are taxable at normal rates. Have you written it or not? Let me know once done. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we understand that capital gain. So I was telling you that capital gain is quite a special income, but not all capital gains. Not all, because there are few short term. There are few short term, third, fourth, and fifth. These are not special. They are normal, but all other capital gains are special. Long terms are always special. They are either 112 or 112A. They are all special. But out of short term, only 111A is special. Otherwise, all other short term is normal. And we have one more special, that is called casual income, which is taxable at 30%. Now, let us jump into an example. Everybody write an example with me. Example. Compute the tax liability of, let's say, Miss Vidhi. We need to compute her tax liability for Vidhi. She gives us an information that she has salary income of rupees 10 lakh. she has house property income of rupees 5 lakh. She has capital gains also of rupees 8 lakh. Total income she has is 23 lakh. Guys, have you written this?
Yes, sir.
And in her capital gain, we came to know, just write it over here. Long-term capital gain was 5 lakh. So long-term capital gain is divided into two parts. One is 112 was 3 lakh. 112A was 2 lakh. Guys, tell me how much is the short-term capital gain? First of all, tell me whether 112 is short-term or 112 is long-term.
Long term.
And 112A is also short-term or long-term? Long-term. So can I say that she has out of 8, 3 plus 2, 5 lakh she
5
has
lakh.
long-term and 3 lakh she has short-term. And out of that 3 lakh also, she has 111A rupees 2 lakh. Have you all understood this? Everybody? So if you ask me, sir, out of 8, you have given me the information of 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Sir, where is 1 lakh? Guys, please tell me where is 1 lakh?
Short term.
Other short term. Everybody okay with me? It is other
Yes, sir.
short term, right? So because only 3, these are the special. So I have given this information. Let's say 8 lakh. Let me put it over there. Let me show you over there. So she has capital gain of 8 lakh. Don't write it over here. She has capital gain of 8 lakh. And we have been given the information that out of 8 lakh, she has 112A rupees 2 lakh. 112 she has 3 lakh. So we understood that out of capital gain of 8, her long term is 5. It means her short term is 3. Right? His short term is 3. And now, out of this 3, we have been given the information of 111A, which is how much? 2 lakh. So it means the other short term is 1 lakh. Right? As you don't have to do so much of calculation, but just I'm giving you a rough idea that this is how her capital gain is looking like. Now, her total income is 23 lakh. Guys, whenever we need to compute tax, now the question is asking us that please compute the tax liability of the assessee. The assessee is here, over here is Vidhi. So we need to compute her income. Her total income is 23 lakh. So what you will do, you will bifurcate this 23 lakh into special income and normal income. Normal income means remaining income. What you will do? Now everybody with me. Guys, everybody with me. Draw a line over here. What we will do, we will divide this 23 lakh. First write 111A. Guys, in the same order. The way I am writing. You have to write in the same order. First write 111A. Then write 112. Then write 112A. Then write your casual income. These are our special incomes. 111A, 112, 112A, then casual income. And then write your normal income. If you want, you can also write your remaining income. What is 111A? 111A is short-term equity shares. Tell me the rate of tax of 111A. Everybody, try to tell me the rate of the tax of 111A at rate of 20%. 112, tell me the rate at rate of 12.5%.
12.5.
112A at rate of 12.5%
12.5%.
in excess of
1,25,000.
1,25,000. Casual income at a rate of 30%. And normal income at normal rates. Just tell me, out of 23 lakh, do we have 111A? Yes. How much is 111A?
20%.
2 lakh. How much is out of 23? How much is 111A, guys? 2 lakh.
2 lakh.
Write 2 lakh over here. How much is 112? 3 lakh. How much is 112A? 2 lakh. Do we have any casual income over here? No. We don't have any casual income. We don't have any lottery income, and so we don't have any casual income. So casual income is 0. We don't have any. She is not having any casual income. And now what you will do, just you have to calculate the balancing figure. Just calculate the balancing figure. What you will do, out of 23, subtract all these things. Subtract all this. 2, 3 and 2. Just subtract and tell me how much is the balancing figure, guys. Tell me.
16.
16 lakh. Everybody is able to calculate this? 16 lakh. Now calculate the taxes. Now we will calculate the taxes. Everybody, on 2 lakh, what is the tax rate? 20%. How much is the taxes? 40,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Everybody is okay with this 40,000? 3 lakh into 12.5%. Tell me how much it is.
37,500.
37,500. Okay. Guys, should I calculate 2 lakh into 12.5% or in excess of 125? What does it mean? That first 125, no tax. Over and above 125, we have to apply 12.5%. What does it mean? I'm writing it over here. It means that I have to first subtract 2 lakh minus 1,25,000 and then I have to apply 12.5% rate. So it means on 75,000 into 12.5%. Are you all getting it? 9375.
Yes, sir.
Please ask me if you have not understood that how I have received this 9375. Anybody, one has any doubt, please do ask me right now. Okay. No doubt over here. Now, guys, on casual income 30%, but we don't have any casual income. 0. Okay. And on 16 lakh, what is the tax amount? Just calculate in rough. Just calculate in rough. Can I say on first 4 lakh, I'm just calculating in rough. On first 4 lakh, nil. Next 4 to 8. Next 4 lakh, 5%. 8 to 12. Next 4 lakh, 10%. 12 to 16. And we are going till 16. Next 4 lakh, 15%. 0, 20, 40, 60. Is it 1,20,000?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is okay with this? Now, guys, you don't have to show that slab rates calculation. You can directly write it over here, 120. Now, tell me how much is her total tax. How much tax she has to pay? This is the total. 120 plus 40. Is it 2,06,875?
Yes, sir.
Plus,
Yes, sir.
plus what? 4%. Health and education cess, we call it 4% cess. 8,275 plus 2,15,150 is her tax liability. Guys, when Vidhi is earning 23 lakh, when Vidhi is earning 23 lakh, she has to pay this much tax. yesterday what I have told you, yesterday, let's say for example, you just need to calculate 23 lakhs. So if you will calculate through slab rates, you will get a different answer, which is wrong over here. Why? Because she has special income also. So on this special income, she has to pay special rates of taxes. She don't have to pay normal rates. On this special income, she has to pay no special rates of tax. Everybody has written this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Guys, I have a question for you. Let's say if somebody has a lottery income and somebody has a dividend income. Is lottery income under which head it will be taxable?
Windfall gains.
Windfall gains. Under which
Casual
head we
income.
have? Okay. First
Casual
of all, tell
income.
me, is it salary?
No.
Let's say, for example, Vidhi earned a lottery. She actually won a lottery of 5 lakh rupees. Is it, she can call that it is a salary income? Lottery is salary? No. Is it house property?
No, sir.
Is it her business? PGBP? No.
Hmm.
Is it capital gain?
No, sir.
No. She has not sold any asset, right? She has not sold any asset. It's not capital gain. What it is? Lottery, what it is? It is our fifth head, which is called income from other sources. Yes, casual income are taxable under IFOS, income from other sources. Agree? Please tell me
Yes,
dividend.
sir.
Tell me.
Income from other sources.
Okay. Dividend income. Please tell me dividend income. Let's say if she has some shares, she has actually holding the shares and she is earning dividend. Under which head this dividend will be taxable? Okay.
IFRS.
IFOS. Everybody's okay. Is it salary? No, she is not salary. It is not house property income. It is not her business. It is not capital gain. It is what? IFOS. Let's say, for example, lottery income, she has earned rupees 5 lakh. Dividend income, she has 1 lakh. How much is the total IFOS? 6 lakh? Tell me
Yeah.
which one is special. Whether entire 6 lakh is special or only
5
lottery is
lakhs.
special. Only 5 lakh is
Only
special.
lottery.
Understood? What I am
Yes,
telling you,
sir.
that IFOS is not all special, but only casual income is special. Out of IFOS, only casual income is special. That she has 6 lakh rupees as IFOS income, but only 5 lakh is special. That is taxable at 30% rate. But 1 lakh dividend is not taxable at any 30% rate. It is taxable at normal rates. Okay. Tell me true or false. All IFOS are special.
False.
Everyone, all
False.
IFOS are special. This is IFOS, this is special. Yes. But this is also IFOS, but this is not special. No, all IFOS are not special. Right? Okay, come back. Two more examples, in fact. Everybody, please with me. Compute tax liability of Surya. He has house property income of rupees 10 lakh. He has PGBP income of rupees 12 lakh. He has capital gains of rupees 9 lakh, out of which 111A is 3 lakh. Guys, what is 111A?
Short-term equity shares.
Short-term capital gain on equity shares. That is called 111A. Okay. He has 112A of 2.5 lakh. Please tell me what is 112A? Long-term capital gain on equity shares. 111A is short-term capital gain on equity shares. 112 is long-term capital gain on equity shares. He has 112 rupees 1 lakh. He has IFOS income also of rupees 7 lakh, out of which casual is 5 lakh. 10 plus 12 plus 9 plus 7. 38 lakh. Okay, now hold a little. Just analyze this question. Surya is having an income of 38 lakh. And he told us, or what we have calculated is, that his house property is 10 lakh, PGVP is 12 lakh, he has a business also, he has a capital gain also, and his capital gain is divided into these much. 111 is short-term equity shares he has sold, he has earned a profit of 3 lakh over here. Long-term shares he has sold, he has earned a profit of 2.5 lakh. Other long-term is 1 lakh. Out of 7 lakh, 5 lakh is his casual income. He has won some lottery, game show, etc. 5 lakh is his casual income. Now we need to compute the taxes. Whenever the question will ask you, whenever you have to compute the taxes, always, you have to see that how much is my special income. Guys, same thing, same order. First, you will write 111A, everybody with me. Then you will write 112, 112A. Then you will write casual income. And then you will write remaining income. Everybody has written till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Surya has 38 lakh rupees of income. Tell me, he has 111A? Yes. How much 111A he has? 3 lakh. Sorry. Before 111A, write 20%. You will learn it. 111 is taxable at 20%. 112 is taxable at 12.5%. 112A is also taxable at 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. Casual income is taxable at 30%. Remaining income at normal rates. Write it. You will be able to learn this. 111A 20%, 112 12.5%, 112A 12.5% in excess of 125. Now tell me, does he has 111A? Yes. How much he has? 3 lakh. 112, how much he has? 1 lakh. 112A, how much he has? 2.5 lakh. Does he has casual income? Yes, he has 5 lakh rupees as a casual income. Now what you will do? Guys, balancing figure. Tell me how much is the balancing figure. Out of 38 lakh, just subtract this and you will get the balancing figure. How much it is?
26.
26.5 lakh.
26.5. Very good. 26.5 lakh. Okay. Now, 3 lakh into 20%. How much? 60,000. 1 lakh into 12.5%. 12,500. What you will do over here? Whether entire 2.5 lakh? No. In excess of 125. So what you will do? You will subtract 2.5 lakh minus 1,25,000 into 12.5%.
15,625.
Correct. 15,625. Okay. On 5 lakh 30%. 150. Okay. On 26 lakh 50,000. Guys, how much? 26 lakh 50,000. What you will apply on 2650? Slab rates. What are they? First 4 lakh. Nil. Next 4 lakh. 5%. Next 4 lakh, 10%. Next 4 lakh, 15%. Next 4 lakh, 20%. Next 4 lakh, 25%. And remaining, see, we have 7 slabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we have done. In excess of 24 lakh,
2.5 lakh.
on 2.5 lakh,
30%.
it is 30%. Guys, how much? Nil, 20,000, 40, 60,
80.
80,
1 lakh.
1 lakh,
75,000.
and 2,50,000 into 30% is 75,000. How much is the total tax?
3,75,000.
3,75,000.
3,75,000. Okay. So 3,75,000 over here. First of all, tell me how much is the tax which this assessee has to pay. Add them. Add them. Is it coming as 6,13,125
Yes, sir.
plus what?
4% cess.
4% cess.
24,000.
24,525. Tell me the total. 637.
63.
Everybody got it? So when
Yes, sir.
when Surya is earning 38 lakh and he has some special income also. So this is the tax which he has to pay. Everybody got it? Now, guys, I am giving you a little shortcut over here of normal rates. Guys, this shortcut you have to apply whenever your income is more than 24 lakh. Please tell me, first of all, your income is more than 24 lakh over here? Yes. This shortcut is for the slab rates. This shortcut is for the slab rates. Please tell me, up till 24 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up till 24 lakh, how much is the tax?
3 lakh.
3 lakh.
Very good. 3 lakh. And in excess of 24 lakh, 30%. Got it? So we understand on first out of this 26.5, what I can do is, let's say I'm writing it over here. On 26.5 lakh, now I know that what I will do on first 24 lakh, we have tax at 3 lakh rupees. The tax will come as 3 lakh. And on remaining amount, how much it is? 2.5 lakh. We will have a tax rate of 30%. So on 2,50,000, we have tax rate of 30%, that is 75,000. So we can easily get that on the entire amount, the tax is 375. This is what I have got it over here, 375 over here. Right. Now what you will do is, let's say for example, I ask you that please tell me the slab rates. Just apply the slab rates on 30 lakh. What you will do in your mind? Just take out first 24 lakh over from here. Just take out first 24 lakh from here. And the remaining would be how much? 6 lakh.
6 lakhs.
And now you know that on this 24 lakh, the tax is how much? 3 lakh. And on 6 lakh, the tax rate is 30%. How much is? 1.8 lakh. So the amount would be 4.8 lakh.
4,80,000.
Have you understood it? How you will calculate it?
Yes, sir.
Again. Guys, let's say for example, if I ask you that please give me the tax slab rates on 40 lakh. What you will do? First step, 24 lakh, one part. Remaining part is how much? 16 lakh. On this 24 lakh, how much is the tax? 3 lakh. And on 16 lakh, how much is the tax? 30%, which is how much? 4.8 lakh. So 3 and 4.8, how much it is? 7.8 lakh. Have you all understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, on the calculator, just on the calculator, not over here, not in writing. Okay, when I say, everybody pick up your calculator. When I say that you have to calculate tax on 29 lakh, when I say that you have to calculate tax on 29 lakh slab rates I'm talking about, no special rates, I'm talking about slab rates. So what you have to do is just write 29 in your calculator. Just write 29 on your calculator, right?
Minus
Just type 29 minus 24. Minus 24. How much you will get? 5. Right? On this 5 lakh, the tax rate is 30%. 5 into 30%. 1.5. What you have done is, you have subtracted 24 out of it. You got 5 lakh over here. And on 5 lakh, you calculated 30%. So you got 1.5 lakh. What you will do now? Here it is 1.5 lakh. And on here, how much is the tax? 3 lakh. So just add 3 lakh to it. Plus 3 lakh, you will get 4.5 lakh. Once again. Guys, if I ask you that please calculate slab rates on 35 lakh. Everybody just press on your calculator, clear everything. Now just type 35. Everybody with me? 35 minus 24. So is equal to, you can type is equal to, otherwise it's optional. So what you will get, 24 you have subtracted, you got 11 lakh on your calculator. Everybody, are you able to see 11 on your screen of your calculator?
Yes.
Screen 11. Calculate 30% of it into 30%.
3 lakh.
How much you got? 3.3.
Yes,
This is the tax on 11 lakh. And how much is the tax on 24? 3. So what you will do on this 3.3, whatever you are seeing right now, just add plus 3 lakh is equal to 6.3 lakh. Have you all understood now or not?
Yes, sir.
Except
Yes,
Purvi,
sir.
everybody has understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please
Yes, sir.
tell me, now in 5 seconds you have to give me the answer. Please calculate the tax on 32.6 lakh. 5 seconds. Will you be able to tell me? 32.6 lakh.
5.58.
5.58. Okay. So what you will do? See, everybody with me. Even you don't have to press equal to. It is understood. Guys, it has also some brain. Calculator has also some brain. It's not only AI. Calculator has also some brain. So what you will do? Just type 32.6 with me. Just type 32.6 minus 24. No equal to nothing. Minus 24. As of now, you are seeing 24 on your screen, right? Into multiply. As soon as you have pressed the button of multiplication, you got 8.6 into 0.3. We understand 30% is nothing but 0.3 into 0.3 plus 3, 5.58. Are you all with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it? So guys, next time whenever I ask you that any amount, calculate tax for me on any amount which is more than 24 lakh, simply you can give me the answer in not more than 5 seconds. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes,
guys,
sir.
I'm giving you a question which you have to do for me. Example. And it's very nice if you can come up on your camera so that I can explain you more. Good, Purvi, you came. And guys, give company to Purvi. Calculate tax liability of Mushtaq is here. start. He has house property income of 7 lakh. He has PGBP income of 20 lakh. He has capital gains of 10 lakh, where 112 is 4 lakh. He has IFRS income of 3 lakh. Total he has 7 plus 20 plus 10 plus 3 is 40. What you will do? 40 lakh. Have you all written this? Now, out of this 40, guys, the same thing. Please don't go away with your concept. Same format. 111A, 112. Tomorrow I'll tell you. Tomorrow is Sunday, so tomorrow we don't have class. On Monday I will tell you that why I'm using this format, why it is in this order. Guys, I will give you the answer in the next class, that why I am writing 111A first, then 112, and then 112A. Then write your casual income, and then the normal income or remaining income. How much is 111A? Everybody tell me. Okay, no. Before that, write the rates, because you will be able to learn. 20%, 12.5%, 12.5%, in excess of 1,25,000, casual income 30%, normal income, normal rates that we know. Give me the answer. How much is 111A? We don't have the information. See, his capital gain is 10 lakh. Only other long term is 4 lakh, we know. But we don't have any information for this and this. So it means that he has not sold any shares. Understood? So how much is 111A? It's not necessary that always you should have 111A. Array, he is not interested in purchasing the shares. So how can he can have 111A or 112A? He has never purchased the shares. Possible, na? Possible, guys?
Yes.
Somebody has a question over here. Okay, so 111A is 0. No, 0. How much is 112? What is 112? Other long term. So he has sold land, he has sold gold, etc. He must have sold, but not shares, and which is 4 lakh. How much is 112A? 0. How much is casual income? No, he does not have any cash. Is it mandatory that every year you will earn lottery? Guys, in my lifetime, I have never actually won any lottery. So is it mandatory that every year you will win any lottery, game show, quiz, etc.? In my life, I have never actually won even 1 rupee as a casual income. So my casual income is 0 over here, obviously. And here it is 0. So how much is the normal income? What you will do? Balancing figure, guys. Balancing figure. How much it is? 36 lakh. Now, guys, quickly. How much is the tax over here? 0. 4 lakh into 12.5%. 4 lakh into 12.5%. 50,000. 0, 0. 5 seconds. 36. Pick up your calculator. 5 seconds.
6.6.
6.6.
Still, I'm doing very good. 6.6. 6,60,000. 7 lakh 10,000 plus 4% cess. Guys, I'm not giving you any break today because after 10 minutes we'll wrap up. 7,38,400. This is called tax liability. Everybody's okay with this? Please ask me if you have any questions. Would love to answer them. Okay. Quickly, in next 10 minutes, we will do 2 questions, right? And then we'll wrap up. Done till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good, good, good. Okay. Example. Calculate tax liability of Mr. Z. Yeah, Mr. X. Okay. Individual. He has salary income 15 lakh. He has capital gains 20 lakh. 112A 1 lakh. 112 3 lakh. That's it. IFOS income 10 lakh, out of which casual is 9 lakh. 25, 30, 45 lakh.
45 lakhs.
Guys, can you give me the answer? But please don't, before that, don't forget to actually write your format. 111A at rate of 20%. Write it, whether we have it or not. Just now, today you will write it. But in next class, I will actually give you a proper format. But as of now, I would like you to learn the rates. 111A, 112 at rate of 12.5%. 112A at rate of 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. Casual at rate of 30%, and then your normal. Please guys tell me the answer. Now I'm not doing, you have to do this. How much is 111A? We don't have any. How much is 112? 3 lakh. 112A 1 lakh. Casual 9. 45 minus 13. I believe 32 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Texas 3 lakh into 12.5%. 37,005. Here it is 0. Here it is 37,500. Guys, how much is here? How much is here? 0. Why? Because up till first 125, we don't tax on 112A, but the entire 1 lakh, there would be no tax. So it is 0. Everybody understood? Here it is 0.
Yes, sir.
9 lakh, 270, 32.
5,40,000.
5,40,000.
Very good. 5,40,000. Total. Is it
8,47,500.
847,500 plus 4% cess into 4%?
33,900.
8,81,400. Okay, guys. I believe you know it, some little shortcuts of calculator. Everybody again, let us do some calculator exercise also today. So just write this. Everybody is done now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think you must be knowing it, but still, if you don't know, write this one. Just type 847,500 on your calculator. Just type 847,500 on your calculator. 847,500. Correct? Have you typed this? As of now, on your screen, on your calculator screen, you must be seeing 847,500
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
first into 4%. You got 33,900 as of now.
Yes, sir.
Plus equal to 881,400, right? So you don't have to write it again 847,500. Simple. Again I am repeating. 847,500 multiply 4% plus equal to 881,400. Everybody got it? Everybody got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now, still a little more shortcut. Let's say, for example, you don't have to show cess over here. Let's say, for example, you are showing this. Let's say if it's an MCQ. It's an MCQ and you have to calculate the final answer. Write 847,500 again. 847,500. Just type 847,500. Simple. Plus 4%. Plus 4%. Got it? We'll do
Yes,
some more exercise next
sir.
next class, right? This much is okay. Before we leave, one more question. Directly I'm writing salary income. Let's say there is a guy who came to us and he has salary income of 15 lakh. He has PGBP 5. He has capital gains 3 lakh. And let's say it is 112A is 3 lakh. 23 lakh. Guys, please give me the answer. Please write your format first. 111A at rate of 20%. Please write the percentage also. 112 at rate of 12.5%. 112A at rate of 12.5% in excess of 1,25,000. Casual at rate of 30% and then remaining. How much is 111A? We don't have any. 0. How much is 112? We don't have any. How much is 112A? 3 lakh. Casual, we don't have any. Remaining, simply the balancing figure. 23 minus 3, 20 lakh. Now, 0, 0. How much is here? 3 lakh minus 125 into 12.5%. 21,875. 0. 20 lakh. Now you will not get that shortcut because it should be more than 24, right? But we know 20. First 4 lakh nil, next 4 lakh 5%, next 4 lakh 10%, next 4 lakh 15, next 4 lakh 20%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0, this is 20, this is 40, 60, and 80. I believe 2 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this will become 2,21,875 plus 4% cess. Simple. What I'll do, 221,875. Since I need that cess figure, so multiply by 4%, 8,875 plus is equal to 230,750. Since it is already rounded off, so we don't have to round it off again. Okay, just to wrap up everything, guys, I believe that you know what is assessee. You understand that what is a slab rate system, what is a flat rate system. You also understand that since individual HUF etc., they have to pay tax at slab rate system. It's not like that on entire income slab rate would be applicable, because there are some special income also. So we have some special income like 111A is one of the special income. Please tell me, what is 111A? When is 111A is applicable? What is 111A? It is short term. Whenever we sell short term equity shares, there is some other things also, but as of now, just understand equity shares. So whenever we sell short term equity shares, it is 111A. But if it is long term equity shares, it is 112A. Right? Guys, what is this 111A, 112, 112A? I will tell you, because these all are capital gain sections. I will be telling you more in detail in the chapter of capital gain. But as of now, I have just given you the tax rate on them. What is 112? What 112 is other long term. So these two are long terms. 112A equity shares. All other things would be 112. Long term is always special. Because long term is divided into just two parts. But short term is not necessarily special unless and until it is 111A. Only 111A is special, which is taxable at 20%. So you have a little bit idea about these sections now. Casual income is taxable at a rate of 30%, and all other remaining income is taxable at a normal rate. So whatever is the normal rate for the assessee, for individual it is slab rates. So this is the slab rates. Since you have not received the books, you will be receiving it, I believe, within a week's time. I will be sharing today or tomorrow morning, I will be sharing the soft copy of chapter number 1, question bank. So your homework is only question number 1. Although you have the solution also, please see your answer with the solution and send me your homework. Right? WhatsApp me your homework. So you have to do question number 1. Question number 1 is the homework for today. Everybody is okay with this?
Yes, sir.
I will be sending you the soft copy, question number 1 from your question bank. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
So
Yes, please.